Hi, my name is Branko Stipanovic. I'm art antique restorer and artist too. Today I have pleasure to start to work building a replica of one ritual Navajo Indian mask. What actually you can see here. I started with the woodwork. This is on the back, as you see, and this is the front. In the tradition of Navajo people is actually used, as you see, turquoise stone, bluish mostly. I started already with some applying of small Turkish stone. Then the ices we have, that I used the mother shell pearl. I have to shape for the ices, and these two, as you see, and the glue will be actually the resin of Cypress tree or other pine tree they had around them. It's quite a nice challenge with nice and very special stone. I'm cutting this into smaller pieces just to actually fit that in the places I need. You know, I have to follow the pattern our friends Indians used. This is actually the mask what is on the end, the creature becoming a sun itself. Very mystic, very nice, and is giving me special drive to work with. We have some actually machine to cut these stones in the shape I need, especially like areas like this, the mounds around. This is quite a nice and a long-term project. I hope the things will go right, and this mosaic mystic mask will actually look nice on the end of the story. The mask is purchased and paid from my client, what is another pleasure for myself. Well, some of the Turkish stone are very soft, some they are harder. They are bluish and different colors, as you can see. If they are white, they are mostly soft, and we use them in different ways. I'm happy that I found enough mother shell pearl and right color what they use too, and building mask and preparing for the ritual. That was just another life. Well, I will go on with my work, and next step will be another video when I will be a little bit further than now. It's a nice looking this mask, as you can see. This is just later on to balance the colors of the photos and whatever I do. This is actually the mask, as you can see. Once again, thank you very much for following me. I wish you the best in your projects. You are welcome with your questions or any other observation. Thank you very much. I am Branko Stipanovic, art antique restorer and artist too. Thank you for following me.